Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this realistic but very cute orange squishy. So if you want to see how I made it, then just keep on watching. So what I actually made the base of this squishy from was actually high density foam. This foam is actually used to make seat cushions for furniture. So I actually bought this in a local hardware store where they sold seat cushions and foam, which you could then buy to order. So I just bought this big rectangle piece. I got a little bit of it off and shaped it into a ball, well, kind of a flattened ball to make the orange shape. So I loosely just cut out the ball shape with some larger scissors and then just went to town, basically smoothing it out with the same scissors. Once I had got it down to a fairly smooth surface, I then went back in with some smaller scissors and just shaved away all of the surface until I was happy with the shape and how smooth it actually was. Next, to colour my squishy and obviously make it into a squishy rather than a ball or foam, I took some acrylic paint, this mixed up in this orangey colour as you could see, and then I mixed that down 50/50 with PVA glue and a tiny bit of fabric medium to allow my paint to then dry back in a flexible way. So what you need to do here is put your foam onto something which you can then dry it all the way around at once, so you can paint it on and dry it. So I chose a barbecue skewer, stabbed that into my little orange, and then got to town with painting. So the key here is actually to build up layer by layer by layer and leaving the paint dry in between, so you can actually build up almost like a coating around your foam. This is going to turn your foam into a squishy. So what you want to do is paint on your first layer, make sure that's dry, paint on a second layer, make sure that's dry, paint on a third layer, make sure that's dry. I actually did 5 in total to get this texture. The more you go, the more smoother your piece will end up being because the paint kind of smooths itself out. But I felt like this just nailed it basically, and the texture was right for a realistic orange. Taking it off of the barbecue skewer, you're then left with like a little hole. So what you need to do here is just fill that back in with a couple layers of the fabric paint, not enough so that it completely seals, because you do still need some air movement in there, but I made sure to put a nice thin layer, blended that out with, you know, the rest of the orange, and then just put another little bit on there just so that it was kind of half filled and it wasn't really obvious. I then went in with some fabric paint and painted on a face. I just did whites of the eyes, and then I painted on some quite big pupils on there using a dotting tool, and then with a tiny paintbrush and the same black fabric paint, I just painted on a mouth in between the eyes. What I then did was took the same small paintbrush and some green fabric paint and just painted on the top of the like little stem of the orange on top, just to give him a little bit of extra detail. Once that was done, my squishy was then complete. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the texture of it, the size of it is perfect, and I think the colouring is pretty spot on as well. Obviously the squishiness of this is a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm so pleased with it. It's so slow rising as you can tell, and I just think its face makes it even funnier. He's like, help, what is happening? Please don't do this to me. I kind of feel bad squishing him every time I do, but it does feel really good, and it's a really nice homemade squishy. I'm not gonna lie, I love the feel of this one in my hand, so I'm really pleased that I made this today. Let me know if you have any requests for any future videos that are coming up, whether they're squishy related crafts or requests or just other cute DIYs. I'm always happy to hear your suggestions. Anyway, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have enjoyed seeing this little orange come to life, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye.